Hey guys, this is DC Cuber. Today we are going to have a large unboxing. Inside this should have 5 packages from 5 different companies. So without further ado, let's just get into it. I got my trusty penknife here and we'll just open this up. I'm sorry guys, this box is very large. I'm sorry if I can fit in this frame. So I'm sorry. I'm just gonna open it. Oh, that is very hard to open. Wow, that is very hard to open. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, there are a lot of boxes inside here. So okay. Okay, I just unboxed this one by one. Wow, it's very hard. How about I just put this on the ground and I just take it up one by one. Okay. Hey guys, sorry for the cut. I had to rearrange the camera angle. So guys, I believe this should be the Yuxin timer. I don't know if I'm correct or not. Let's just check it out. I think it's the Yuxin timer. I have to, and it is the Yuxin timer. So guys, I'm so excited about this packaging because this is my first timer, and I'll just throw this box away. And guys, here you go. This is the Yuxin timer. And I'll open this without having to ripping the box off. Okay, putting it out. Okay. Hey guys, this is the Yuxin timer. It looks very good. And now this one. Okay. Okay, now guys, this is the Yuxin timer. A very nice feel. This is a different kind of feel than speed stacks timer. The power, reset, option, and save. Okay, and this should be where I should lock it into my speedmat. So I don't think there are any batteries in here, so I'll just go get some batteries and be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So it was a little odd. I opened this and I found out there are batteries inside. I watch a lot of unboxing videos, but they say there are no batteries inside. So that's odd. So I don't care. Let's see. As you can see, Yuxin says right down here. Sorry guys, I have to adjust the camera angle. And then like this. Go. It stops. Okay, reset it again. Okay. And I noticed there is a sound button. Let's just see what this do. Oh, it has sounds. So guys, that is very annoying, so I'm gonna turn it off. So guys, that is basically the Yuxin timer. And now let me grab another package. So guys, this is another package. So judging by this sound, I think it is just stickers inside. I wanna see if I'm good, and I'm gonna just open this. Wow, this one is very hard to open also. This here, I need to cut this off. Oh, I ripped the box. Never mind. There are lots of newspapers in here. And then there's a yellow, another envelope inside this box, and I'm gonna open it. About the weird cut again. Just now my friend called me, so the recording ended. So we just pick up where we left off. Is here this envelope. I think this is stickers inside. I'm just rip this open if I can. If you cannot, then I'll just use a pen knife without ripping it. This envelope is very pretty, and oh, it's not my stickers, it's some magnets. As you can see here, I ordered 200 pieces of this magnet so I can mod it to make a magnetic cube. So guys, that is the second package. You can see here, they are very strong, as you can see. So guys, that is basically the second package. Now I'm gonna unbox the third package. So guys, this is the third package. I don't know which one is this, but I think this should be a mat inside for my using timer. As you guys know, I ordered the mat and the timer separately because it was more cheaper that way. Just slice open the, wow, I want to say I just sliced open this, but it's very hard. Oh, did I open it? Nope, I haven't opened it. I have to slice it open again. Okay, that's one side. The other side. Okay, I'm sorry guys, that went out of frame. So yeah, this is my timer and some receipt. Let's just throw this box away. I bought this I think this is the Gen 3 timer because I like the Gen 3. As you can see here, speed stack, vowel go. So guys, okay, there's a plastic wrap inside it. So this is a rather large mat. I don't think I can fit it whole in the camera, but I'll try to. Just have to adjust this. Right. Why do I even need this? Okay. I have to adjust the camera so you can see it. Okay, here is the speed stack timer. I think this is the vowel glow one. It feels very comfortable, and I put my using timer here. Let's see if it can fit. Let's see here. You see this one? Okay. Okay, I locked it into place. So as you guys see, this is the using timer, and then this is the mat. Okay, so guys, that is the third package. So box the fourth package. Guys, now this is the fourth package. So I'll just put this under. So this will make the video look nicer, my background. So I'll just cut open this again. Apparently this one's for hard. I have to be careful, I don't want to break the contents inside. Wow. I'll just rip the box. As you can see, there's already a matchbox. There's only a matchbox picture inside, so that must be a chi cube. Yeah, I cannot open that side, so I just rip it off. Okay, I ripped it off. You can see here. Okay, I have the X-Men, the sculpted one, Galaxy Megaminx. I have 3 cube stands. Okay, I don't know what this is. Apparently there's a picture of someone inside. 2 Mario loops. Put it there. Okay. And then a chi thunderclap. Oh. A chi thunderclap. 2 chi thunderclap. Both of these are for my friends. So another Mario loop. I have 3 Mario loops now. Okay. Got these 2 books, and I don't know what this is, but there are logos and a book. Another book and logo. And there's nothing inside here, just another newspapers. So, okay, first, one of these thunderclap, I'll just keep it away, and the other one I'll unbox and do something for you, and I'll just do a first impression. Okay, how am I supposed to open? Oh, it's here. I think this is this one. Nope. It has to be opened from this side, so okay, open it. Get away the box, and this one also. Here write in Chinese, which I understand means real product, not fake. So I'll just open this one. I know the Chi Thunderclap V2 has come out for a long time, and I just got into cubing this year, so wow, the Chi Thunderclap V2 is very fast out of the box. Is very crispy and a little uncontrollable for me. It may due to my turning style, but okay, I messed that up. Oh no. So guys, that is the Chi Thunderclap V2. I really like the feeling of it. Hope my friend doesn't mind I open his cube. So let's just put it to the side and into the X-Men Galaxy Megamix. Actually, I cut a little bit on the X-Men box, but it doesn't matter really. But we're in for the content. As you can see here, they have the sculpted one, the convex one, the concave one, and the convex one. Oh, the plain one means the original one. Don't know what are these, but okay, now this is the X-Men Galaxy Megamix for guys who don't know. Wow, I'm gonna just put this away for a while. Whoops. Okay, see here, this is the Megamix. So the color shades are very bright, the X-Men one, and this gives me a lot of grip because it has ridges inside here. Just do a T-perm here. Guys, I'm sorry if you're mad at me. I suck at Megamix, so I don't really play a lot of Megamixes, but I want this as my main, so this will be my main. Okay, the outer layers are very smooth. It's very smooth. So this X-Men Galaxy Megamix is an instant main right out of the box. I really like the feeling of the X-Men Galaxy Megamix. So yeah, that is the Galaxy Megamix, and we'll move on to the final unboxing. So guys, this is the final unboxing. So I don't know what's this inside, but we'll open it as well. Oh, I just hope I didn't cut anything inside, because I just cut the X-Men Galaxy Megamix box. And right here we've got another Mario loop So now we got 4 Mario loops in total. I don't know why they gives me so much Mario loop, but it's okay. And another 2 cube stands. So now we have 5 cube stands. Wow, seriously, another Mario loop. Okay, so you guys can see this is the Moyu aosu 4x4, and this is the wushuang 5x5. And I have logos again. And a bunch of stickers for my cubes. These are factory stickers, my backup stickers, as you can see. I'm gonna put it to the side. And what else do we got inside here? We got another card with the same guy as from before. Oh, another sticker. Another book with logos. So now we got a lot of logos and books. Just put it to the side, and there's nothing here. So guys, this is final unboxing. So guys, after this video has been released, I will do a review for each and every things that I just unboxed, including the using timer. But I'm not going to do a review on the mat lah, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the 4x4. This is the 4x4. This is a pen flip. This is the Moyu aosu 4x4. And it is very looby outside. I can feel it. There are many loops outside this cube. So wow, that is a good cube. I like this feeling very much. The outer layers are very smooth. The outer layers are very smooth, but the inner layers are very rough, but also smooth. So guys, this is the Moyu aosu. I will be doing a review after this video has been released, so stay tuned for that. So my first impression about this cube is it's very good, and it will be my main 4x4 main. So yeah, I like this cube very much. I like the feeling of this cube. It matches my turning style. So yeah. Okay, now we move on to the wushuang. We got matte fork here. Let's open this box. Okay, now we got another pen flip, and then wushuang 5x5. Why is everything inside this box has to be so hard to open? Okay, now we got the plastic wrap out of the way. You can see. Wow. Oh my god, this cube is awesome. Holy shit. It's very awesome. The outer layers are very smooth. The inner layers, I can't wait to break this thing in. As you can see, you can hear the sound difference. This is the outer layer, inner layer. So that is the wushuang. The reason why I buy this cube is I heard that it is very stable. As you can see, it always stays in cubic shape no matter how hard I turn it. And I heard the corner cut is very ridiculous. I wanna see how the corner cuts. Wow. Holy it can corner cut, but it needs a lot of force to do so. What about reverse? Reverse not that good. So yeah, that is the JP wushuang. Okay. Alright, so guys, I like this unboxing. Everything inside it satisfied me. So there will be another unboxing coming soon. So guys, stay tuned for that. And this is my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below to let me know what you think about this kind of video. So okay, I will be doing reviews. That is the third time I say this video. So guys, happy cubing.